Hi, my name is Lauretta. I live in a community of townhomes and it's really very friendly and fun. And I'm very happy to have hired Mount Pleasant Window and Remodeling. They came over, they installed my door, they were very efficient, extremely courteous, and very competent. I saw the advertisement in a newspaper and I talked with a couple of friends of mine who live in my area, and they were very satisfied with the work that Mount Pleasant did. And so I called them to replace my door and the facings, and they did the most beautiful job. It is beautifully fitted to the opening, it is decorative, it is perfect. When I need other repairs, enhancements, etc., to be made to my home, I will dial them first.